Hey guys, welcome back to Freshman Weekend's YouTube channel. Today we're here at SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida, and today we have dining reservations at Shark's Underwater Grill, directly behind me. So today we're gonna go and check it out and see if it's worth eating here. So make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like we said, we're here in the good old SeaWorld's of Orlando today, and we're gonna have lunch with sharks. So I'm really excited. The menu looks good, and I'm ready for it. Let's go. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my goodness. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. This guy is just hanging out by our table. I think.
He's hoping to get some food too. He wants some scraps, some table scraps.
By the way, you guys look at the ring. Hi, Barrow. Hey. Alright, so we're just like checking out all the things. So the hammerhead is one back over there, probably can't see anymore. Oh hey, look at that guy, leopard ray, or leopard shark. Yeah. Oh, there's a fishy here. Forget the food, I'm just here for the fish. Oh, there's the hammy. He's coming to say hi. Please come say hi. Come on, you can come over. Yeah, bro, nice to see you. So Lewis is a little warm right now because it's a little hot here in Florida, but the view is spectacular. We have all of our shark and fish friends here. I see one of the hammerheads right there. He's gonna come over and say hi, hopefully here in a second. This guy looks like he means business. Oh, you're Erica, come on, come say hi. Yes, you are a wonderful hammy coming and saying hi to us.
Look at that.
Hi, bro. Oh my goodness. You are a vision. Oh my goodness. It's official. I am Snow White. I called him and he came.
Oh yeah?
That's what she said, but yes. Alright guys.
Well, and it's also you get to see all the tourists go by too.
Yeah, you
It's
also see the line of tourists go by down there too.
From the shark's perspective, I imagine this looks like a sushi buffet.
Here is a shot of the menu for Shark's Underwater Grill. Everything looks really good. We're really excited about it.
Great,
Thank you. And then yeah, here is our cocktails. I don't see any mocktails on here, so that's kind of a bummer. But not bad. Hi, hello. The shark things. The shark things. There's Lewis things. Get used to this. This is your life for the next hour and a half.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay here for an hour and a half?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hi, guy. Oh my goodness, it's like they know I'm here, and they're so excited to come say hi to me. Me, we're getting on the gaming action. Oh, you're pretty. Hi. Oh, okay, yes, and you're beautiful too. Oh my goodness. Everybody's around us. Oh, I missed you. I'm sorry. Please come back.
He'll come back, I promise.
This is so fast.
He is, he's quick.
Oh,
that's why
awesome.
he's
That's
hanging
why.
out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why
all
we're
right,
all
so
on
it's
this
not
end
me.
at the moment.
It's
Nice.
not
Distracting
me.
you. So we specifically tried to feed the hammerheads right here.
Yeah.
They'll reach down with grabbers to kind of lead them on and try to feed just the hammerheads.
Yeah, we did the behind the scenes tour like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Like the grabbers were like sitting like right here.
Yeah, that's the spot
so
right here.
cool.
Yeah.
And they gotta feed those hammerheads because if they don't, everything else in the tank twice a week.
Yeah.
These guys get fed twice a day because they'll eat everybody in the tank.
Right. Yeah. I don't
They'll
blame
be
them.
aggressive ones.
Yeah. Alright guys, like I said, we're here in the good old SeaWorld today. Super excited. We are. Oh wait, okay, hang on. Yeah. So there's this guy, and then there's that guy. There's all the buddies. So yeah, so we're here. We're gonna have some lunch, and I don't know if we're gonna see because we're just gonna be seeing all these guys. Apparently they're gonna be feeding the hammerheads here pretty soon. So and they're gonna feed them right above us. So that's awesome. You know, I'm not convinced that I couldn't be that thing's friend.
I don't know, man. Look at those teeth. I wouldn't try it.
Yeah. There's Hammerhead. Hey, bro. So it is almost 1:45, and allegedly this is when they feed the hammerheads. If they feed the hammerheads, they said twice a day,
Right.
or else the hammerhead feel a little hungry, a little
And
hangry.
specifically like right here at this table too.
Yeah.
So we did the behind the scenes tour. Go back and check that video out. But directly above us is where they have all the shark feeding equipment and everything. So they're gonna feed them right here, right in front of us. It's gonna be insane.
That's nuts. I'm still excited for it.
So the hammerheads get fed twice a day. Apparently once at 1:45, and then everything else gets fed basically once every other week.
No, twice a week, is it?
Twice a week.
Yeah, twice a week.
Twice a week. So they did say the hammerheads, if they don't get fed twice a day, they get hangry and they start eating the fish.
Yeah. Hey, bro. Are we a Shark Channel now?
Are we?
Since all we
We
are.
were out doing dolphin stuff the other week. So.
I know. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh. All right. So there we go. That's it right there.
Yeah, you see the...
Yeah, the hang came in, or the little grabby came in, and that guy is ready.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yep, yep. They're just running along on top of the water right now. All the sharks are coming up. I mean, everybody's here right now. I mean, the whole band's getting back together. So, link down below where we actually fed wild nurse sharks in the Bahamas on our other channel, Wicked Nurse on the Water. We haven't fed guys like this because, you know, obviously they might rip their leg off, but... Well, I remember from our shark tour, they told us that they feed the same sharks in the same spots every time, so they know to go to their spot.
Yeah, there goes the two hammerheads.
Yeah. I think they are ready. They're hungry. I like how they follow each other. They're like best friends. Aren't they brothers? Is that what I remember hearing them say? Oh wow. Okay, here we go. Hi. Oh, here we go. There's food. He's chasing them. Yep. He got it. Good job, dude. Oh, he's like, that wasn't my turn yet. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. They're like, we're here. Feed us. Okay. Nice. Oh wow. This is so. Oh, he almost caught a fish. He's chilling. Oh my gosh. Good job, dude.
Look, that's all the other fish. They all get a little bit too. They're all crazy.
All right, a little feeding frenzy. All right, coming first for round 2. Oh, here we go. Round two. Oh, nice. You got it.
There goes the...
Okay, here we go. Snack 2. Oh, this guy's like, oh, what about my snacks? There are so many sharks in my frame right now. This is crazy. Doing try-bys. Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, fake out. Oh, you missed it. Oh, you missed it. Oh, boy, you missed it. Oh, there's some squid.
Oh, that one got it.
No, I missed it. Are you recording too?
No, I'm thinking...
Hey. All right.
That's where the fillets went, apparently.
Yeah, I guess, right? Yeah, I almost said they don't have any fillets. So, I have a theory about sharks and puppies. We'll talk about that in a second.
Look at him shredding that up, man.
Yeah.
I think it literally is a fillet, yeah?
No, it's a fish fillet. Yeah, that's it. I think they're all done.
Another shark should come by and eat it.
Yeah. Hi, dude. Oh, there's some more? Okay. There you go.
Nurse shark.
That's good. I'm glad the nurse sharks get a little snacko too. Aw, buddy. He's like, I'm trying to be a big scary shark too. Oh, he just ate a whole fish. He has a fish in his mouth.
He does have a fish in his mouth.
I think he might have got the wrong guy. Hi, bro. Oh, there we go. Yum. So it's interesting. Oh, he's fast. So what's interesting is I think the hammerheads, they can't seem to open their mouth as wide as other sharks. I don't know if that's a true fact or that's just a Christine observation, or if it's a wrong Christian fact. You look like a very healthy buddy. Oh, aw. That was fun. Hey, buddy. Chill, you're pretty. Oh, hi. You want to be on the camera too? Okay, we got you. All right, guys. So lunch/dinner at the table. Lewis got the Wagyu or Kobe beef. Hammy. Sorry. he wants your slider. Sorry.
Yeah, that's right. So I got the Kobe beef sliders. So these are the American style with the cheese and some vegetables on there.
Some arugula.
Yeah,
I call it spicy lettuce.
Yeah, I don't know. That looks like Chipotle mayo or something, but I don't think that's exactly what it is. Also comes with truffle fries, which is awesome.
That was really good.
What did you get here?
I got the grilled panini chicken sandwich, I think, pesto sandwich. So this has some chicken and some mozzarella and a tomato, and I also got the truffle fries. So there you go. They were out of fillets, which I was kind of upset about, but that's okay. Because you know what? How could you be upset when this is what you're eating next to? I mean, seriously. And I also have this wonderful husband right here too.
Yeah, so this restaurant is amazing. I mean, look at behind me. I mean, it's definitely very upscale. I like the theming here. I mean, the windows are massive, and I just feel like you have such a huge density of fish here as well. If you come eat at this restaurant, they do feed the hammerheads twice a day. One of those times being at 1:45. So I have a little bit of a late lunch. Try to sit on this side of the restaurant, and you're gonna get a dinner and a show. It's spectacular. Now that dinner has arrived, let's go ahead and give this a shot. So we'll start off here with the truffle fries.
He wants a truffle fry.
I'm sure he does. You want a French fry? What
He's like, no. He's like, I am on a keto diet. No.
So
no
we'll
carbs.
over the shrimp.
Yeah.
And we'll try the Kobe beef sliders. If I'm being honest, just a little overdone for my taste. Still very good. And the whole Kobe Wagyu thing, personally, I've always kind of felt like it was a little bit of a gimmick. This is definitely a more lean beef, I can tell you. There's definitely less fat to it. I kind of do like a fatty kind of burger, so either way, still very good. Can't go wrong with it.
And I will try my sandwich here in a second. Oh,
Another eating squid.
They are feeding them again. So I'll eventually eat at some point, and I'll try my food. But like, they just fed that shark squid, the one that's going real fast and chewing.
How is your sandwich?
Not bad. The chicken is flavorful. Has nice marinade and a nice sear on it, but it is a little overdone. But it's okay. You're definitely here, I think, for the views, for sure. There's a tomato on it, so proceed with caution.
I agree with that. It is very good. Very tasty. I love the pesto on it. I've never had a chicken pesto sandwich. So I think it's really good. The bread is fantastic. What kind of, is that a brioche bun?
A ciabatta.
Ciabatta bun? Okay. I don't know anything about bread. But yeah, very good. I would agree though that the chicken is a little dry.
It's a little overcooked,
Yeah. So
not
but
bad though.
Still, yeah, pretty good. And again, I think you come here for the views anyways, so.
Yeah. This guy very much wants to be on the channel, so we're gonna give him his moment of fame. All right, bro, you did it. Great job. Beautiful tail, by the way. It's sharp teeth. Okay, Hammy. So I have a theory. My theory is hammerhead sharks are the same type of sea puppy as a Belgian Malinois, whereas your nurse sharks are more of your golden retrievers. They want to be where the people are. They want to lightly hang out with you. They cuddle puddle, whereas hammerheads, they mean business. Hey, bro, you are such a big scary boy, or maybe you're a girl. I'm not sure. Or you big scary teeth. And then later this year, this whole husband of mine is taking me to Africa, where we are going to cage dive with great white sharks. All right, so I think hammerheads are the most interesting sharks in the ocean.
They are some of the more unique looking ones, yeah.
I think that's probably the right word to use. Unique. You are correct.
Unique New York.
Oh God. Alright guys, so this place does allow you to use your annual pass holder discount. So we have the Platinum Pass, and then we also use some of our SeaWorld bucks today because we get those too. So we'll let you guys know total how much actually paid for us after we get out of here. Yeah, overall, I love this place, and I would highly recommend. You know, and the more I eat my chicken sandwich, the better it got. It was a little bit more juicy in the center. I'm just gonna blame the bun because it's ciabatta. But overall, here's Lewis with pro tips. Just kidding, more sharks. No pro tips or sharks. I'm kidding, there will definitely be pro tips, but.
I'll show you a bunch of tips.
Look at all the tips.
Annual pass knocked off $11.50, and then the bush bucks and everything. We're down to $59 before tip. That's not bad.
Not bad. For a theme park lunch.
All right, guys, so here are your pro tips for Shark's Underwater Grill. Number one is, if you're going to come for lunch, definitely recommend that you do it a little bit later, around that 1:45, so that way you can see the hammerheads feeding, because they do it every day around that time, and it is fantastic. Pro tip number two is, along the same sort of lines, make sure that you sit on this side of the restaurant, which is the one nearest the door. This is where they're going to do the feeding, and it's a spectacular show. You get to see all the animals going crazy. Sharks eating, as well as all the fish kind of picking up the scraps. Pro tip number three is make sure that you use your discounts. So if you have an annual pass, make sure you show that, get your discount. And also, they do not do the double discount on the food and dining here at this restaurant, but you still can use your SeaWorld bucks. So yeah, usually get some of those each month. Anyways, that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really helps out. With that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye. He's gonna say bye. I just gotta get him to come closer.
Alright, anyways.
Oh, hi. Would you like a fry? No? Okay. Alright, sorry.
Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the that Sharky's Underwater Grill.
It's not Sharky's for the Sharks.
Oh, thank you. That was hers. See, I got mine.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, service was spectacular though, by the way. Yeah, no, thank you.
Awesome.
Really
Thank you
appreciate
so
it.
much. Thanks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders on...
Ready?
Yep.
It's gonna be on YouTube too? Okay, we can make that happen. Sorry, I got a rule in my teeth.